Good day, everyone. Today I'll be presenting on conventional PCR, its principal workflow, components, and applications. My name is Chancy Sharma, and this presentation is for our course Analytical Method in Biochemistry under the guidance of Mahabubul Maula. So let's get started. So the very first question is, what is conventional PCR? It's a classic endpoint DNA amplification method. The core principle is simple. It selectively amplifies the target DNA segment using two primers and the thermostable DNA polymers. The sequence doubles in every cycle, creating millions of copies of 25 to 35 cycle. Because it's an endpoint method, we only analyze the product after process is completely finished. Our workflow moves from the template DNA and reaction mix through thermal cycling, the visual detection via a gel band. The key output confirms the presence or absence of a target gene and its approximate size. Next, PCR success relies strictly on having a right component and a precise temperature control. The essential components are template DNA to provide the target sequence, forward and reverse primers to define the region, tech DNA polymerase to extend the strand, DNTPs as a building block, magnesium ion and a buffer for enzyme activity and pH. Inside the thermal cycle, we run 25 to 35 cycles in three main steps. The first one is denaturation at 94 to 95 degrees Celsius to separate the DNA strands, annealing at 50 to 65 degrees Celsius for primer binding, extension at 72 degrees Celsius where tag polymerase at a GNTPS. Finally, we analyze our result using agarose gel electrophoresis. A band at the expected size confirms the target DNA is present. Conventional PCR is widely used for applications like pathogen detection, genotyping, and sequencing preparation and forensics. However, its limitations include being restricted to endpoint analysis, carrying a risk of contamination, and being less accurate for the quantification compared to the qPCR. To conclude, our take-home message is that conventional PCR amplifies a specific DNA region and confirms it via endpoint gel detection. Thank you so much for your time and patience.